Hello everyone. Is your computer running slow or freezing? Don't panic. Today, I'll show you how to repair the Windows 10 system image using DISM. For example, Tom faced serious lag and software issues, but after using DISM, his computer ran smoothly again. Join me to learn how.
DISM is a command tool that can help you to repair your Windows when you find your Windows run slowly or there are errors in your Windows. So when you encounter errors in Windows, you do not need to reinstall it. You can first run the DISM command to repair it. This can save you a lot of time. Use DISM command. First, click the search box and input CMD. And right-click the command prompt and click Run as Administrator. Click Yes. Then it will open the command prompt window. To check your Windows system health status, you can run this command: DISM online clean up image check health. When you press Enter, it will check your Windows system healthy state and give you some message to tell you whether your Windows system is healthy or not. This command performs a quick check. It will return the result of your system healthy state, but it cannot give you detailed information of the error if there are errors in your system. If the check health command returns errors, that means there are some errors in your Windows system, so you can run this command: scan health. To scan the detailed error information, and this command will give you the detailed error information of the damaged file and your Windows system. This command will perform for a long time, a little longer. After scan the error files in your Windows system, if you want to repair it, you can run this command: DISM online clean up image restore health. Press Enter. And this command will fix the errors in your Windows system. It will also take some time. When the restore health command finished, it will show you the success message. That means your Windows system has been repaired successfully. And all the command will create logs. You can find the logs in this path. Click Windows. Click Logs. Click DISM. DISM.log. This is the log file. You can see the log message in this file. There is another log file which is also very important. It is located in the Windows Logs CBS folder. The log file name is cbs.log. Yes, this is the content of this log file. You can find the error messages in this log file to see the fix process. You can also run the DISM command in Windows PowerShell, but the command name is something different. To run DISM command in Windows PowerShell, first click the search box, then input PowerShell. Yes, and right-click Windows PowerShell. Click Run as Administrator. To check Windows system health in Windows PowerShell, run this command: repair Windows image online check health. Press Enter. This is the result of the check health command. It shows that the image health state is healthy. If you want to scan detailed Windows error file and info in PowerShell, run this command: repair Windows image online scan health. This command will take a little longer because it will scan the Windows file system. To repair the Windows error files and restore Windows, you can run this command: repair Windows image online restore health. When you press Enter, you can see the process. And this is the result of the Restore health command.